Good day, sir. I'm going to present the business model, canvas of my future business, which is Hardini's Herbicide, which pertains of agri-supply business that is necessary for the needs of our farmers. I'm going to discuss first the revenue stream of product and service of Hardini's Herbicide. Here are some products that the agri-supply business can offer categorized by their target customer segments and key benefits. Seeds, high quality, certified seeds for a wide variety of vegetable, fruits, herbs, and flowers, including heirloom varieties and organic option. Fertilizer, organic, natural, and synthetic fertilizer tailored to specific plant needs in soil types. Pesticides and insecticide. Eco-friendly and organic option to control pests and disease, minimizing environmental impact. Gardening tools and hand tools, throwers, rake, pruning, shear, water cans, and other initial garden tools. Greenhouse suppliers. Mini greenhouse, shade tray, grow lights, humidity home, drones, and other supply for starting needs and protecting plants. Irrigation system. Drip irrigation system, sugar hoses, sprinklers, and timers for efficient water management. Compost in soil organic compost, worm, casting, and other soil amendments to improve soil health and fertility. Plant protection, product covers, netting, and other materials to protect plants from pests, birds, and harsh weather conditions. Sustainable packaging, biodegradable packaging materials for seeds, fertilizer, and other products, minimizing environment impact. Next is the customer segment for small-scale farmers. Needs: assist to affordable, high-quality inputs, seeds, fertilizer, pesticide, basic tools, and practical knowledge for efficient farming practices. Agri-supply solution. Curated product selection focus on initial products with clear labeling and easy to understand instructions. Education resources provide guides, workshops, and online resources tailored to small-scale farming techniques. Community buildings organize local events, once forums of farmers to farmers, networks to share knowledge and resources. Flexible payment option offer installment plans or credit option to make purchasing more accessible. Next is the customer relationship. Building strong customer relationship is vital for access in the agri-supply business. It's not just about selling products. It's about establishing trust, understanding needs, and providing ongoing value. Here is breakdown of their aspect of customer relationship in an agri-supply business. Number one, understanding the importance of customer relationship in agriculture. Loyalty and advocacy. Satisfied customers are more likely to return for future purchase and recommended your business to others. This word of mouth marketing and available in the agriculture sector where trust and reputation are paramount. Building community strong relationship foster a sense of community among farmer and agribusinesses. This can lead to knowledge sharing, collaboration, and access to valuable resources. Future growth. Nurturing relationship helps you identify evolving customer needs and adapt to the market trends. This allows to you to develop new product or services that meet those demands, driving sustainable business growth. Then the channels in Hardin's agri-supply business. Social media. Engaging on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube allows for brand building, customer interaction, and sharing viable agriculture content. Email marketing. Targeted email campaigns can be used to promote new product, share industry news, and offer special promotion to existing and potential customer. Physical store. A physical store provides a tangible experience for customer, allowing them to interact with product and receive personalized advice. It can be available asset for establishing a local presence and building relationship. Then we have the value proportion of hardiness harvest hive access to essential inputs. Wide product range. Agri-supply business offer the divisor range of product including seeds, fertilizer, pesticide, livestock feed, farm equipment, and other essential inputs. This comprehensive selection allows farmers to resource orders needs from the single provider, serving time and efforts. Quality insurance. Agri-supply business prioritize resourcing high-quality products from reputable manufacturers and suppliers. This ensures that farmers receive reliable inputs that contribution to optimal crop yields and livestock health. Competitive pricing. Agri-supply businesses obtain negative competitive pricing in which supplier allowing them to offer competitive rates to farmers. That helps farmers manage their costs and minimize their profitability. Next is key activities. Supply relationship, building strong relationship with reputable supplier, the vertical. This ensure a content to supply high quality products at competitive prices. Product selection, carefully selecting product based on market demand, customer needs, and sustainability consideration as essential. Quality control, implementing rigorous quality control measure to ensure that product meet standard and specialization is critical to maintain customer trust. Inventory management. Maintain optional inventory level to meet demand while minimizing storage cost and waste is a key challenges. Effective inventory management system and purchasing tools and are crucial. We all we also have key partners, input supplier. These are the heart of your business. They provide initial agricultural inputs like seeds, fertilizer, pesticide, livestock, feed, and farm equipment. Building a strong relationship with reputable supplier is crucial for consistent quality and competitive pricing. Packaging and labeling supplier. You need partners to provide packaging materials, label, and other branding elements to ensure your products are presented professionally and meet regulatory and standard. Transportation and logistic providers. Reliable transportation partner are essential for moving products from supplier to your warehouse and then to your customer. You may need to work with tracking companies, freight providers, or specialized agricultural logistic providers. In key resources are land and facilities. You need to suitable location for your warehouse, office, and potentially a retail space. The location should be easily accessible for supplier, customer, and transportation. Equipment and machinery. Invest in initial equipment for handling, storing, and transporting agricultural inputs. This may include forklifts, pallet jacks, trucks, and specialized machinery for a specific product. Experienced staff. You need employers with expertise in agriculture, sales, logistic, inventory management, and customer service. Lastly is the cost structure. Startup costs. These are one-time expenses incurred before your business opens its doors. Land and facilities. Warehouse storage facilities. This is a major investment with costs varying significantly based on size, location, and required features. You may need to purchase or lease a building, and factors in cost for renovation, climate control, and security system. Equipment and machinery. Handling and transport. This include forklifts, pallet jacks, trucks, and other equipment for moving and storing products. Inventory. Initial purchase. You need to buy a sufficient amount for inventory to start selling. This cost will vary based on the types of products you offer and the volume of anticipate selling. Operation costs. There's are ongoing expenses that occur regularly. Personnel. Salaries and wage. This will depend on the size of your team and the role you need to fill, etc. Sales, logistic, inventory management, customer service. Logistic. Transportation. The cost of transporting goods from supplier to your warehouse and to customer. This will depend on the distance, volume, and mode of transport. Delivery. Factors in the cost delivering product to customer which might include fuel, vehicle maintenance, and driver wage. This is my business model canvas. Thank you for watching and listening. Have a nice day, sir.